What up, everybody? Welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a 5.7 Challenger. It's E85, 392 or 6.4 exhaust manifolds or headers, so to speak. So he's got the upgraded headers to the 6.4 style versus the stock bricks that come on the 5.7s. It is pouring rain, so the humidity and the air quality might affect the dyno numbers a little bit. Not drastically, but we might see like a % or 2% smaller than what it would be on a dry day. I just got here and it literally just started pouring, but nonetheless, we're going to continue with the dyno. It's not stopping us from making these power gains. So if you're looking to put your 5.7 Charger Challenger 300, E85, 6.4, 392 manifold, and catless, that's what this car is. Literally no other modifications. So we're gonna strap it down, get on the dyno. This is the video for you. Check it out. Oh yeah, by the way, this car has been on the channel before. It's this one right here. Like I said, I did tune this car on E85, so just to see how it's doing. Which is the one, you know, where my fingers were making the steering wheel feel some type of way. You guys love that video. I still get comments probably weekly about it. But nonetheless, it's one of the louder sounding 5.7s. So we're gonna strap it down. I was hoping to get a video outside the dyno shop today. So hopefully it will stop sprinkling and I can set my camera up. And then I got a truck that I'm doing later today after the dyno. So actually, I don't know if we're going to be doing it because it's really wet, so hopefully that doesn't impede anything, but look out for that video. It's a single cab, so here we go. Let's get started. All right, here we go. Rainy day. A little checkup of what's going on at JBK. Got this guy getting headers. We got the hellcat back. New axles going in, then it's ready to go. Got the vet. Got this bad boy. Here's a look at those axles. Your diff.
That has all the horsepower. Damn.
Alright guys, so we just got pull number 1 done, our baseline. So this car made 369 horsepower, 408 torque off my street tune. So it was a little rich as expected. So we're gonna pull some of that filling out, see where it goes. So here we go for pull number 2. how the AFRs look, and then we'll report back here. All right, so I was able to make a little bit more. We're at 410 torque, 370 wheel HP, still running on the rich side. So AFRs was in the 0.8 lambda, which is, you know, right around 11.8 to 12.0. We want to bring that up a little bit. We're trying to get closer to 0.86, 0.87. So I got the next file loading in right now, pulling that fuel out, and then we'll go from there. So here's where we finished at. We finished at 417, 377, nice and smooth. Get with me.